actually, tonight, we're gonna take the old black car, stick it in the trailer. We're gonna go put a helmet on.
Come on.
Well, every time we go to the racetrack, my mom and dad always come over and pray with us to make sure that we get home safe. I love y'all. If you're just now joining the channel, this is our 90 Ford Mustang Fox body. It's got a TKX Tremec transmission out of the box, built 31 spline axle. We've just recently put a 393 stroker, which is a 30 over 351 Windsor with a stroker crank. We have some Trick Flow 227 heads. These are the brand new ones that just came out. So they're pretty good cylinder heads for this build. We did put the Team Z stuff in this car, just much like the white car over here. Lots of Team Z and Stifler stuff that, you know, helps the chassis and such. But this isn't really a race car per se. This is more of a street car, and we just drive it all the time. It's got the original patina paint. You can see it's a little faded here, a little cracked and chipped here. I'm definitely not going to win any car shows with it, but it's mine, it sounds cool, and I enjoy it. We're heading to Coonley Motorsports Park tonight. We're gonna make a couple hits in it. So we're gonna get our slicks on our car tonight. When you go to try to put a 28 on a GT, it's a little bit difficult. You have to actually do some shaving. You know, getting a 28 to fit, you know, it gets pretty tight. You have to shave some of the ground effects because this grows and it's such a big tire, but considered a small tire. We're gonna run it down the track a couple times, take the mufflers off because we're gonna be putting the vibrance on anyways. Let's get to the track. We're wasting daylight. I'm starving, gotta get something to eat. Let's get on the road. All right, we finally got here. It's about 7:10, and you know, there's an oil down at the top of the track, which isn't uncommon for, you know, a street night, I guess. It's not a big deal. They're getting it cleaned up. We got a little bit of work to do anyways. I got to switch the wheels over and set my anti-roll bar up. I've been meaning to put that back on anyways. I mean, it's not going to run like the fastest. Guys, this is the first hit of this car in years. I mean, we took a 387 down one time and blew the motor up. I'm pretty sure it's not going to happen here. So it's been a long time since this car's been down this track. We got to be a little bit careful tonight. We're going to take our time. You know, I'm not trying to make it a full out race car like it used to be. And it's my street car, and I want to enjoy it and see what it does on the track. Full interior street car. Got everything in here. That's right, front and rear seats. They're ready to go.
Got another one?
That is definitely one fat ass tire. This is a 10.5-inch wheel. I don't even think they make anymore at LMR. Got them a couple years ago. Gotta get some new tires on them. The old 17s on the front. And I ain't put 26s on this in years. We'll see what happens. Yep. Okay, well, you haven't set up the anti-roll bar car in this car for a number of years. See what we got, see what we're up against. Matter of fact, I think we're wrong here. I think I have to set my gussets back up. Anyways, that's the anti-roll bar. We're just gonna have to run with it without it tonight. We put the Team Z bar in here, and I forgot to put my gussets in. For the link, must have used, I think I used a different tube. That's what kind of set that all up. We'll just make a pass in it and see what it does. All right, we are setting up to go race against whatever. Yeah. This car hasn't been down the track in years. This is simply a shakedown, trying to make sure everything works so we can start dialing it back in. Again, we're not gonna make a fast pass. We're gonna go A to B, see what works and what doesn't, and then we're gonna go back and make it better. New motor, makes 500 wheel. This should be interesting. Cut out real bad right there in second gear. It took a second to recover. Well, on a good note, it ain't blowed up. This car was trying to kill me. But on a bad note, that thing tried to put me into the wall twice. I mean, as soon as I stab it again, it went right to the left, and it just... Anti-roll bar needs to be on this before I send it down the track again. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this tune works really good, but it's time for a Holly. This thing's not, it's just not comfortable. I don't know, maybe. I will tell you though, we got some work to do. As you can see in the pass right there, I'm not even gonna tell you what time it was because it really doesn't even matter. The car in the right lane went 1040s, 1030s or something, but it doesn't even really matter. When we hit second shift on this, it just completely shut down. I don't know what it was. So we got a couple things we're gonna be changing on it here soon. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not real comfortable on 26s, but we'll see how the car goes down the track with an anti-roll bar. Because it wanted to go, as soon as I stabbed it, the whole car would dip and try to send me left. But it's all about the journey, not the destination. We didn't get a chance at the track to get what we wanted to with the quarter mile or eighth mile time, but we did go A to B and we did get some good data. One mod at a time, we'll get this thing fixed up. It needs a lot of work. There's a lot of things that need to be touched up on this car, as it's been a number of years since we've been any competitive whatsoever with this on the track or on the street. We have an issue with our tune, but I think we've got a couple things we're gonna change over to. So the next mod you'll be seeing us put in is the Anderson Ford Motorsports Gen 3 Terminator Fox body kit. You know we run the Gen 2 on our white car for about 2 years now. A bunch of plugs were changed over. A number of modifications have been done to the actual harness. It's gonna be pretty much a plug and play setup, and we'll be able to tune it for the street. We'll be able to tune it for the track and just have a bunch of fun with it. That's pretty much all I got for you guys for the video. We will head back to the track, and we do have Ford Takeover coming up later this week, so stick around for those videos to come out. So leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Check out that join button, become a member. Outside of that, I just appreciate you guys being here and watching. I love y'all. See you soon in the next one.